Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make chickpea hummus without tahini. Drain and rinse chickpeas, add lemon juice, garlic, olive oil, and a pinch of salt, then blend until silky smooth. Start by saving some aquafaba for texture, then taste and adjust acidity and salt. For creamier hummus, warm the chickpeas slightly before blending and add a tablespoon of yogurt or avocado if desired. Serve with olive oil, paprika, and warm pita. Collect your ingredients: 1 can chickpeas, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 clove garlic, 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt, and reserved aquafaba. Choose a tahini swap like yogurt, nut butter, or extra olive oil to reach the creaminess you prefer. Add spices such as cumin, paprika, or a roasted pepper for variety. Taste and adjust acidity with more lemon or thin with aquafaba until the texture feels right for spreading or dipping. Start by blitzing garlic, lemon, and oil into a paste to jumpstart smoothness before adding chickpeas. Add chickpeas gradually, scraping the bowl and pulsing to avoid overworking your motor. Use reserved warm aquafaba or a splash of warm water to loosen the mixture and create a silky texture, and adjust salt and lemon at the end. For extra creaminess, peel a few chickpea skins or add a small spoon of mayonnaise or yogurt.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.